You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this saint. There are different locales and different cities and places in France that have this name. Sainte-Foy. So it's not Sainte-Foy, Sainte, which is the feminine of saint, Sainte, because it's the feminine and it's got an E at the end, the T is pronounced here. Sainte-Foy, Sainte-Foy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.